Hi everyone, this is me Orhan, and on this video I'm going to show you how to create your Gmail or any email signature just in 2 minutes. It will be quick, short, so in the next couple of minutes I will walk through the platform, show you the main features and explain how to create your own signature step by step. So for this we need to go to the BuildMySignature.com. Then click to build signature. So I already added some information you can see here. So you need to add your full name, job title, company, some contact details. By the way, if you would like, for example, to remove the address, so you just need to remove it and it will disappear on the signature as well. Then we need to add some up to you for sure. You can add image. In my case, for example, we added this image. You can add also some company logo, change the image size, but the best option to use the recommended suggestions. Just change the shape of the signature. By the way, if you would like to use these fire labeled features, you can make one-time payment. This is one time forever, and you will get access to 15 plus fire label features, let's say like this. Then we can add some social links. So let's add one more. I don't know, so as a designer, so better to have some Behance account. We add here link and etc. So this is Behance. Let's say it will appear here. Also we can change the icon styles, like have this original colors. We can see it YouTube, for example, the original colors, or turquoise also, but in our case, so we're creating it for free. That's why we will use the default one. So we have different templates for the email signature. In our case, I more like this minimalistic one, so that's why I will choose that one. So we can add also some CTAs if you would like to add your custom CTA with a custom copy. So also you can use these fire labeled ones, but for the free version, let's click to the visit website, add the website name. We can also change the CTA style. You can add some disclaimer as well. So in our case, I don't need any disclaimer right now, but for sure some companies, maybe some specialists from these companies, they have some let's say more bureaucracy, so they maybe would like to add some disclaimer. We have banner section. It's available on the Pro plans. So we can change fonts. This is all available fonts which is supported by the Gmail or Outlook and etc. So that's why it has only this amount of available fonts. Let's say, for example, this one, I prefer to keep it as a sans serif. We can choose, by the way, also custom color here. Add some choose your brand color. Let's choose from the available ones. So then we have accent. We used for example this label style and label color available on the email signatures which have it. For example, here we have some icons. So we can choose neutral color for the icons or accent color for the icons. The same for the label. For example, we can choose phone, email, website, or use icon with the neutral colors. The same with the text. In our case, we don't need it. Then, how to add it to the, let's say, Gmail. So we click to the copy to Gmail. It will require the sign up. We are signing up. And right after that, we click to copy to Gmail, and then we need to visit our Gmail. On the Gmail, on the right corner, you have settings. You click to the settings, see all the settings, and in the settings below, you have signature part. So you need to click to create new signature. Name this signature, let's say signature 1, test 1. Okay, created. Then paste it here after the copy. And then change it. Signature test 1. You need to change it here also. So you can choose if you would like to have signature on replies or not. I prefer only have the signature for the first email, not for the replies. And then save the changes. After this, to test it, you can just click to the for the writing new email, and you will see your signature here. You can check the links as well. So if it works or not. That's all. So thank you. Bye.